Today we're going to do a matte eye look. I'm going to use the Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place. First, I'm going to go in with an eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to do this light brown, kind of a grayish color. I'm just going to put some of that on the lid. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the white, just to make the inner corner brighter. I don't want it to be too white, but I just want it to kind of pop there. Then I'm going to take the smaller end of my eyeshadow brush and go in with some of this grayish color here. And just go up into the crease with that. This makes it look nice and blended. And then just pull it down so that you kind of get that triangle effect. And I'm going to go in with a smaller eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to get some of this dark brown and just go under the eye with that. Then I'm going to go in with some of the gray to make this look a little more uniform. Don't want the colors to contrast too much. And just continuing to try to make that triangle type effect on the outer corner of the eye. Kind of seems to open the eye up a bit. And then I'm going to go in with the smaller side of my eyeshadow brush and pick up some of the brown again. And just kind of blend. Makes it look a little more rich in that corner. And I'm just gonna wipe off my eyeshadow brush onto like a napkin or Kleenex and just come in and blend out. The key to getting your makeup to look professional is the blending and the fading out. I think that looks pretty good and well blended. So now I'm going to go in with some of my Makeup Forever black eyeliner. I'm just gonna do the outer corner and just pull it up. Now I'm going to go in with my Stella marker liner and just make a line across the whole top. I think I'm going to wear a full lash today So we'll make the line a little bit thicker to hide any imperfections of application of the lash. And I just try to get the wing to look symmetrical on both sides. I think that's pretty good. I'm going to go in with my smaller eyeshadow brush and just blend out that eyeliner I put on underneath so it doesn't look like it stops anywhere. It makes it look well blended better. Then I usually do my mascara before I put my eyelashes on. It's just easier like that. I'm just using the last Lash Paradise again. You just want to try to get it as dark as you can at the roots of the lashes. That makes your eye color pop. And I always do the bottom lashes. This gives you that dramatic effect. And I like to let the mascara dry a little bit on top and then go back in and add more. Usually it dries a little bit while you're doing the bottom lashes. And I think that looks pretty good. Then I'm going to wipe off the powder that I put underneath to catch all the eyeshadow. Blend all that out. That looks pretty good. And today I'm going to be using the 3D Foam Ink. Looks like creme de la creme. I found these at Marshall's. You can use any eyelashes. And I'm just using my Duo formaldehyde free lash glue. And just blow drying them a little bit. This makes application faster. If you accidentally get some eyelash glue, just wipe it off with a Q-tip. The thing about the fake lashes is that they give you a very black line on the top of your eyes. That makes your eyes look a lot brighter. So they just tie the look in. And that's our matte eyeshadow look for the day.